Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Just imagine we are going through a very pleasant period. I know you may be laughing at me. Actually, this is the period of Corona, I know. But I don't think there is anything to fear. What we have to do is just observe the things which are recommended to us by government. Like just wash your hands, keep social distancing, wear mask. Now these are the preventive measures which we are taking. Do you know why? Because we do not know till now anything about specifically what is corona. We don't have any medicines or vaccinations. Once we have medicine or vaccines available, I think it will be very easy for us to cope up with it. Now, without wasting time, let's get started. Everything has two sides. And I always tell that it is the way which we look towards the thing. It is fearful. You just go through my latest video, Fear, you'll come to know that fear is just about unknown. As we are not knowing anything about corona, we are frightened. But I tell you, one day we'll come to know and we'll be very comfortable with the things. But before that, do you know that unknowingly it has taught us many things. It has made us to realize what we have forgotten, the hidden secret of happiness. Our tradition is one of the most ancient traditions of the world. In the ancient period, when we used to come from outside, we used to wash our hands and legs and then enter the home. The bucket full of water used to be there outside the home. See, such a simple way of cleanliness. Now, when we used to enter the home, we used to sing Namaste, because that was the wish with which we greet each other. Same thing Corona has taught us. Cleanliness is important. Please wash your hands time to time properly. Don't shake your hands. Don't forget about our tradition of Namaste. A very good tradition. We are not touching anyone, but then also we are respecting them. Important thing, if you remember, when you used to get chicken pox or measles, something like that, the mother used to put us to a room, a secluded room. Now we are telling the name is quarantine. Isn't that the same thing? That is to prevent yourself from getting infected. The person who is already infected has to be secluded so it does not spread the infection to others. Same thing we are obeying. Then why to fear? We have obeyed this thing since many, many years. Same thing is repeated with the new label, quarantine. Isn't that very simple? Yes, it's very simple. The next thing, according to me, we all have become totally materialistic. You see, we all are running. And the competition of achievement, of getting materials, of getting luxuries and many other things, Our life had become like the donkey who had held a carrot and was just running behind the carrot which was on his head. So, God has made this arrangement We are here within the four walls of our home. Very cozy family relations we are remembering. We are trying to cooperate each other, coordinate with the work so that we enjoy these days. Due to WhatsApp, Facebook, and so many other things, sometimes we never had time for our own people who are just beside us. But this period has given us enough time to play with our own children, to share our feelings with our own people who are very far away. But now we are worried about them. Because the whole world is clutched under Corona. Everybody is worried about their own relatives, friends, and family members. I think this is the best thing which we have learned during these days. See, when we used to go for a picnic or say for a holiday also, we used to spend time for shopping or doing sightseeing or many other things, you see. But now, no. We are with our own family members. We are with our own children. And this gives a real bond. The family relation has become very strong. I think what else we want in the life? Life is short, but these memories will be cherished in our mind throughout the whole life. And we'll be happy. Oh, what time we had spent. It was a great time. See, money can't give you everything. But these things Corona has given us. I think that we should thank this. We should thank God to give such a pandemic so that we realize our traditional values. We realize our family values, social bonding. So friends, never fear about unknown. Everything has its own traits. Let us find good things from there. Let us try to prevent ourselves from doing things which is not suitable for this period. And friends, even for teenagers, I feel this is the best period. They are coming very close to their parents. The students who had toiled so many years for studies, maybe for some professional exams or 10th exams or 12th exams, this is the period for them for rejuvenating themselves, getting more energy through the love of their parents, their family members. Friends, I think that we should be very optimistic. We should survive and we will survive. But the only thing, take care of yourself and obey all the regulations which is governed by our government. If you like my video, please share, subscribe or like it. Thank you very much. Have a good day and take care of yourself.